Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, it's Jesus that
I know it's enough. Oh, beautiful, guys, beautiful, beautiful. That is a trending song right now, guys. That is a trending song on the net, guys. In case you are new here, welcome to this channel, guys. Welcome to this channel. I do dance tutorials and dance videos and dance challenges. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel down below, like this video, share to your friends and family, and don't forget to tag me #TLogsBoom in case you do my tutorials. #TLogsBoom, guys. Don't forget, guys, #TLogsBoom. So guys, let's dive right into the screen. Now the first step in this tutorial is, don't know if you guys have heard this song, it's simple. You don't use that software for, I did it in one of these videos over here. Just check these two videos over here. I've done this tutorial before. This tutorial, guys, I've done it before. See, guys, this, like you're kicking something to this other side. Please. So that is Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. I think, guys. So it's twice. 1, then 2. Following the beat of the song. So Oluwatosin 1, Oluwatosin 2. Hope you are following, guys. So let's do one more time when we start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. Are you following, guys? So let's go one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oluwatosin. I think there, guys. Kick it. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. Make sure you're eating your hands together. Oh. Eat your hands together. Eat your hands together. So it's go. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. It's 2 times. Don't increase it. Now after that, the next step to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your leg is still in the flow. Let you still be in the flow, guys. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. The Jesus that I know is enough for. I sing, guys. The Jesus that I know is a. Sorry, guys. 5, 6, 7 from the start. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. The Jesus that I know is enough for. Are you hearing, guys? So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I did this part in my previous video. This 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, I did something like 1. Yeah, I did something like that in my previous video, guys. So you can check it out. Just scroll below this video. You see something like that in the next video. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. The Jesus that I know is enough for me. I think, guys, just twice. 1, 2. You guys know this one also. Definitely, you guys know this dance. 1, 2. 1, 2. So let's go from the beginning. From the beginning, guys. In case you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe down below, guys. Like this video, share to your friends, and comment whichever step you are finding difficult as we go on. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. It's Jesus that I know. So you can do it twice if you like. You can do it twice, or you can just do it once. It's trending on TikTok, Instagram, and currently on YouTube. You can check it. Just like Oluwatosin. For you don't have people that are in the US or the UK, some part of the world, this is a trending Nigerian song, guys. It's a Nigerian song. It's trending everywhere. You can see it in your search currently, guys. You can see. But it's trending in Nigeria. So it's Yoruba culture, guys. Yoruba culture, not other language. It's culture in Nigeria. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin. The Jesus that I know is enough for me. Just like that. Just like that, guys. You can sing it to your mind, or you can just play the song. You know, guys, why I'm not playing the song that's called copyright. copyright problem is affecting us. So let's go one more time. Slow, let's do it in slow-mo. Slow-mo, guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Oluwatosin. Oluwatosin. The Jesus that I know is enough for me. I'll do it again. Let's go. 1. Slow-mo. Again. Let's go. Again. 1, 2, 3. Good, go. Tida, 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 tida. So guys, this is just me catching cruise in the dance tutorial. Just me playing the platform. So let's do the fast pacing one more time before this video goes to a close. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, you that I know it's enough for me. Oluwatosin, Oluwatosin, you Jesus that I know it's enough for me. So that's it, guys. That is the dance tutorial. So in case you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below. Like this video, share to your friends, and let's spread Christianity on the wall. Let's dance this Christian song. It's a Christian song, guys. Let's dance it, and remember to tag the hashtag to bring me on dance tutorial in case you do it. And don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.